Did Reddit just challenge Google? Reddit CEO Steve Huffman just announced a game-changing AI search upgrade coming in 2025. The goal? To make it easier for users to find answers to subjective, hard, and interesting questions directly on Reddit. But here's the big question. Is Reddit trying to replace Google? And will this AI-powered search actually work? Let's break it down. Reddit is sitting on a goldmine of user-generated discussions, 2 decades worth of comments, debates, and insights. Now they're using AI-powered search to make all that information easier to access. At the center of this upgrade is Reddit Answers, a feature that pulls the most relevant responses from various threads and generates a summarized answer. No more scrolling through endless comments. Reddit will now do the work for you. And Reddit isn't stopping there. They're hiring a dedicated search team to fine-tune this feature and make Reddit's own search engine smarter and more intuitive. So, why should you care about this? Better search experience. Finding useful discussions on Reddit will be way faster and more accurate. Google alternative? If Reddit search improves, fewer people might rely on Google for discussion-based queries. AI everywhere. This is yet another example of AI shaping how we interact with the internet. But not everything is looking great for Reddit. Their Q4 earnings were lower than expected, partly because of Google's algorithm changes. That's why this new search push isn't just about helping users. It's also about keeping Reddit's business afloat. So, what do you think? Will Reddit's AI-powered search become a real Google alternative for finding answers? Or is this just another overhyped AI feature?